Hi, little scientists! Welcome to GiggleBloomTV Science Time. Today we have water and a fun science question. Will it sink or float? If it goes down, it sinks. If it stays on top, it floats. You guess with us. Ready? Sink or float? First object, a leaf. Sink or float? Let's see. It floats. The leaf stays on top. Now a stone. What do you think? Sink or float? Down it goes. Here comes a ball. Sink or float? Let's find out. It floats. Boing, boing. What about a spoon? Sink or float? It sinks. The spoon goes down. Quack, quack. A toy duck. Sink or float? It floats. The duck stays up. Now a fruit. An orange. Sink or float? It floats. This fruit stays on top. Why doesn't it sink? It's lighter than the water. Wow, science is cool. Big challenge. A clay ball. It sinks. New shape. Now it floats. Bye, little scientists! Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you!